Let's be real for a second. You're not struggling on YouTube because your content sucks. You're struggling because you're sitting at your laptop right now and your brain is saying, okay, give me a viral video idea. And your brain is like buffering, thinking. Meanwhile, the YouTube algorithm does not care about your creative block that you're having right now. It wants consistency. And consistency means unlocking the best AI prompts. Yep, I said it. Prompts are the secret sauce that no one tells you about. They're literally the cheat codes that small creators use to pump out content like a machine, while other creators are still playing thumb wars with Canva. Stick with me until the end of this video, because in this video, I am going to show you how to use prompts successfully to not only get content ideas, but also to monetize your channel outside of the AdSense program. You don't want to miss out on any of the content in this video. Trust me, you will thank me later. Let me now explain why small creators get stuck and why good prompts can make or break your channel. Let's just say that. Here's the ugly truth. Small creators quit early. And that's not because they can't make videos or good content, but because they run out of ideas. They record 3 videos or 4 or 5, burn through all their topics, and suddenly they're re-uploading recycled TikToks, hoping something sticks. That is not a strategy, and that's not what you're going to do. Not if I say so. That's desperation. And if you're waiting for YouTube Fairy to sprinkle you with 100,000 subscribers just because you worked hard, I hate to break your bubbles. You're going to be waiting for a very long time. What you need is a system that spits out content ideas for you every single day so that you never run dry. That's where prompts come in. Oh, and by the way, that thumbnail that made you click to watch this video that you're watching now, it was made using one prompt. I kid you not. One prompt. That's how good prompts are. Tell me the truth. Are you just learning that you can use prompts for your YouTube content ideas? Well, you're not late. You're not late because you're watching this video. Picture this. Let's say that you are in the faceless YouTube space. Maybe it's travel. It could be business, cooking, or commentary. Instead of staring at a blank document, you would just use a prompt. Something like, turn today's trending news story into a 7-point listicle video, excuse me, with a bold intro and cliffhanger outro. Boom. Instant video structure. Or write 3 short form video hooks in the style of a gossip channel while spilling the tea. Tell me that these don't sound like something that you would binge watch yourself. That's the difference between fumbling for ideas and looking like you have got the content team working for you behind the scenes. That's what this is all about. And listen, that's what the big creators do, just in case you didn't know. These prompts aren't those generic one-line garbage prompts that you find in Facebook groups. Sorry, but it's the truth. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine a prompt that says something like this. Write a YouTube script, an introduction for a video titled 5 Mistakes Small Creators Make in Their First Month on YouTube. But make it, you're going to go further and you're going to say, make it sarcastic, dramatic, and sound like I'm talking to a friend sitting across the room from me. Make it conversational with hooks and loops throughout the entire introduction. Do you see the power in that? It was specific and it had details. You don't just get a generic script. You get a tone, you get a style, you get the right audience, and you get a vibe. That's what makes people stop scrolling and actually want to watch your video. Now let's talk about visuals and AI art or creativity prompts for thumbnails and images like ebook covers. Because if your thumbnail looks like a sad PowerPoint slide from 2004, I'm sorry, no one's gonna click to watch your video, and that's the truth. And guess what? Prompts fix all of that. You can literally type something like this. Create a hyper-realistic YouTube thumbnail of a shocked YouTube creator staring at large text that reads 300 plus prompts. Make sure it has bold neon lighting and cinematic shading around the text. That's not just a picture. That's clickbait gold, but it's a good attention-grabbing way. It's the same thing with ebook covers. Instead of begging Fiverr designers to create one for you, to go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Create a bold professional ebook cover rather, with vibrant colors, clean typography, and a modern tech vibe that screams digital success. Place the title of the ebook in the middle. Make it big and bold with effects so that it stands out. Of course, you would tell ChatGPT what the exact title was. Now your digital download doesn't just exist. It looks expensive and exceptional. And we all know perception means profit. And here's a little bonus tip. If you are sleeping on Pinterest, you're sleeping on free traffic. It's literally a search engine in disguise. You can use prompts to create pins that drive traffic straight to your YouTube videos or your digital products. For example, here is a prompt that you can steal. Yeah, I'm giving it away right now. Design a bold Pinterest pin for an ebook titled Unlock 3,000 plus prompts for small creators. Use vibrant colors, big text overlays, and a modern creative workspace vibe. Make sure you include a call to action, such as grab your copy now. See how detailed that was? That's one pin idea, but imagine having dozens of these prepped in minutes. No staring at Canva like, I wonder what font should I use. Just prompt, generate, and post. And yes, these pins actually get clicks because guess what? They are built to stop the scroll. And don't think that Instagram is off the hook either. Prompts can build your post, your carousels, your stories, and your reels. So you stop posting random selfies, hoping that the algorithm likes you. No, that doesn't work now. Not anymore. Try this prompt instead for your Instagram. Write 5 Instagram carousel post ideas for small YouTube creators, each breaking down one way to monetize outside of AdSense. Make sure you include snappy headlines for each slide and a hook caption that makes people save the post. Boom. That's an entire week of IG content right there. Or use this prompt. Generate 3 Instagram reel scripts in a funny, gossipy tone, explaining how to use AI art prompts for YouTube thumbnails. That's not content stress, rather. That's not content stress. That's content strategy on autopilot. And because I know you're thinking, okay, Cheryl, but where do I even get prompts like that? I don't know how to write prompts. Don't worry, I got you. I've already done the heavy lifting for you. I put together a bundle of 3 complete prompt ebooks with over 3,000 prompts in total. There are prompts for YouTube ideas, scripts, branding, thumbnails, ebook covers, planners, journaling, marketing, and everything else you can think of. One ebook is for writers and creators. One is a whole AI art design library. And one is for generating all-purpose content and business ideas. It's like having a 24/7 creative assistant that never sleeps and never burns out and never asks for coffee breaks and never leaves you hanging. Okay? Especially when it's time to upload your video. I will leave the link below in the description, so go grab it. You will thank me later for that. Yes, you don't have to do the heavy lifting. I did all of it for you. Here's one prompt, straight from the same ebook bundle. Let's say you're building a digital product. Try this prompt. Generate 10 ebook titles about productivity that sound like they could be #1 bestsellers on Amazon, but Add a snarky twist that makes them able to potentially go viral on TikTok. That's how specific you're going to be. And that's not just an idea. That's marketing baked into your product before you even make the product. Imagine how much faster you'd move if you weren't agonizing over titles and images for 3 days. You'd actually launch stuff and keep it moving. And this is where it gets juicy with prompts for monetizing your YouTube channel. Prompts don't just save you time. They make you money, but you have to know how to do it. You can use prompts to outline a digital course, script a webinar, create a masterclass like I'm going to do shortly, design a printable, brainstorm Etsy shop ideas, or even craft an entire YouTube growth strategy. Half the creators that you admire are out here acting like they've got some magical creative genius when really they've got prompt libraries doing the heavy lifting for them. And that's my library I'm going to give to you with 3,000 plus prompts. Stop playing the slow game. It's time to get in on the secret. Now for another sample prompt job. I know you want more, right? Okay, last one, because honestly, I should be charging for this. Try this prompt. Plan a 4-week YouTube content calendar for a small creator in the fitness niche. And you can put whatever niche you want. Include 8 long-form video ideas, 12 shorts, and 10 community post prompts that keep subscribers engaged. Tell me you wouldn't pay to have someone hand you that. And now imagine having over 3,000 plus prompts like that ready to go. And that is what I created in my bundle just for you. Now let's wrap this up. If you're tired of staring at blank pages, tired of rehashing the same boring stuff, and tired of feeling like YouTube is gatekeeping success from you, stop doing that. AI prompts are the shortcut and the answer. Prompts are the cheat code. And lucky for you, I've already packaged up more than 3,000 of them in one bundle that covers everything from scripts to thumbnails to digital products that you can sell outside of AdSense. Again, the link is going to be in the description. You can tell how excited I am about it. Grab it, use it because I use it. And of course, please come back and let me know your progress. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because next week, listen to this, I'm going to expose another money-making hack that small creators do not want you to know. I'm going to share it with you next week. So make sure that you subscribe. You don't want to miss that video. See you then. Take care.